USA and Japan. So 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 and 2 plus 3. Now 2 times 2, 4, plus 2 times 3, 6, right? Plus 3 times 2, 6, plus 3 times 3 equals 9, equals 4 plus 6 equals 10, plus 4 plus, sorry, 6 plus 9 equals 15. Now 10 plus 15 equals 25. And Japan, 2 plus 3 equals 5. And 5 squared means 5 times 5 equals 25.